Ever squinting at your screen in the sun, or maybe you're trying to read white text on a bright background late at night? This one accessibility tip that I'm about to show you can change how you see your device literally. And don't scroll if you're not using Samsung. I'll be showing how to do this across most Android brands and iPhones. So stick around because your eyes will thank you for this trick. So let's start with the Samsung phone. So you go to settings. So this is the settings, and you scroll and tap accessibility. Accessibility, and you tap visibility enhancement. Mine says vision enhancement or visibility enhancement, and you toggle on the high contrast test. So this is the so let's see what it looks like when I toggle this on. So you go from this to this. This will make the fonts bolder and easier to read. You can also toggle on color inversion. So let's go back to here. You see, and toggle on color inversion. Color inversion. Yeah. If you prefer dark backgrounds and bright text. All right. If you want more options, you can also enable color filters. Color filters. For vision types, this is more for people with some kind of vision problem. I can't even pronounce it, deuteranopia or protanopia. Okay, so you can play around with this vision enhancement menu, and you can find what suits you. So these settings instantly boost readability, especially in daylight or if you have any vision difficulty. Now, for other phones, the most Android phones like Tecno, Infinix, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Pixel phone, you go to settings and you look for accessibility. On some phones, you will find it under system or additional settings. So now you tap accessibility, then look for color inversion or high contrast tests. Some models may only have one of these, like color inversion, which flips screen colors for high visibility. For iPhone users, go to settings, accessibility, select display and text size, toggle increase contrast or smart invert to reduce glare and boost readability. So smart invert is especially great at night. It inverts colors without changing media like photos and videos. So now, whether you're outdoors at night or just want your phone easier on the eyes, this one trick can help. So if you found this helpful, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more smartphone tips that work on any phone. So drop your phone model in the comments if you want me to show these tricks on your device.